Hello, today we're going to be going over tutor information found on the ASU-Beebe website. Let's begin. First, at the top of a new tab, we're going to type in asub.edu. Once there, we're going to hover over Student Support and then go down to Tutoring and click the link. Once the page loads, you can scroll down to see all the services the Advising and Learning Center offers, such as free tutoring, online writing tutoring, textbook calculator rental and the computer lab usage, if you're a new student and need advising, or if you have a request. All the way at the bottom, it explains the tutoring information for each campus, such as the Beebe campus, the Heber Springs campus, Little Rock Air Force Base, and the Searcy campus. If we scroll up and go back to the New Student Academic Advising heading and click the Academic Advising link, we go to the Advising Center page. This tells new students what an advisor is, open registration dates, who is your advisor with a link to find out. If you scroll to the bottom, there are helpful subheadings such as how to contact an advisor, how to drop a course, changing a degree or advisor, Arkansas course transfer system, contacting the Advising and Learning Center, contacting an academic division, and helpful advising links. At the bottom of this page is an additional Contact Us section with the phone, email, office hours, and time of the Advising and Learning Center. That was just a portion of the tutoring information on the ASU-Beebe website. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you, and have a great day.